So, I welcome all of you on behalf of Institute for Financial Literacy. Today we are going to discuss an equity valuation model which is called dividend discount model. You probably might have some questions in investment planning module from this chapter and in the final module also. Dividend discount model basically is nothing but it tells you what should be a fair value of a stock if the all future earning of that particular security is discounted at market returns. So let's understand it in detail. Let's say this is a question which is having current dividend 2 rupees and the dividend is increasing with the rate 10% for the next 5 years, and then dividend will constantly increase with the rate of 8% and nifty returns are 15%. We have to see that we have to use this formula for calculating the value of this stock, but we will use this formula at a place where the dividend is constantly increasing. So let's understand it. Current dividend is 2 rupees and for the next 5 year it will increase with the rate of 10%. So I can do this, multiply by 1.1 and then we'll drag it, and after 10% increase for 5 years it will increase with the rate of 8%. So I can do this into 1.08, but this is dividend expected divided by rate minus growth. As I already told you, you will use this formula from where the dividend is constantly increasing. From here it will be increasing with the rate of 8%, it is my assumption. So dividend expected, so for this cell this will be dividend expected. Dividend expected divided by rate minus growth. So rate will be your nifty returns and the constant growth rate will be the growth rate. So on this cell you are having, this is the value and this is the dividend for this particular stock, and the remaining future earnings are like this. Why I have not taken 2 rupees? Because 2 rupees is the current dividend and these all are future earnings of the security, right? At this cell I have taken dividend as well as the valuation according to this formula. Now I am going to discount all these future cash flows from the security with the rate of market. For this I'll use NPV formula. Rate is 15%, comma, and I'll select all these securities, all these future earnings, sorry. So this is 33.48. So 33.48 is basically a fair value of this securities as per dividend discount model. Let's say if the security is trading at 40 rupees, though the fair value is less than the market price, I'll say this is an overvalued security, right? If the quoting at let's say 25 rupees, I'll say this is an undervalued security because my fair value is higher than the market price. So basically this is how the equity valuation is done. Thank you very much.